Welcome back to Music Theory Takedown. This is Listening Skills Part 1, and today we're going to show you an easy way to find the answer to a question that you will see on your final test. Good luck, and let's get right into it. Mark A on your answer sheet if what you hear is exactly what you see. Mark B if what you hear is different in any way than what you see. You will hear each example 2 times. Exercise 1. First playing. Exercise 1. Second playing. The answer is A. This question is asking, is what you hear the piano play the same as the measure you see on your test? Some steps you can take to determine whether it's right or wrong, an easy way, is like this. The first thing you want to look at is how many notes are there in the measure. In this measure that we just heard, there's 4 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 notes. Next, you want to see how many beats are each note worth. The quarter note is worth 1 beat. The eighth notes are worth half a beat, and the half note is worth 2 beats. So, then you want to determine when is it going to be fast and when is it going to be slow. So this is probably going to be middle. This is going to be fast, and this will be slow. After you think about all that, the question should be fairly simple. Let's go back and do the question again. Knowing what we know now, we're going to do this question again and see if you understand a little bit more how we got the answer. If what you hear is exactly what you see on the paper, mark A on your answer sheet. If what you hear is different in any way, mark B. You will hear each example 2 times. Exercise 1. First playing. Exercise 1. Second playing. Let's try a new problem. Now that you know how to solve it, let's do the steps that we learned and use them to our advantage. How many notes are in this measure? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 notes. How many beats are each note worth? 2 beats, 1 beat, half a beat, and half a beat. So we know it's going to be slow, normal, and fast. Mark A on your answer sheet if what you hear is exactly what you see on your paper. Mark B if what you hear is different in any way than what you see on your paper. You will hear each example 2 times. Exercise 2. First playing. Exercise 2. Second playing. Let's review what we just heard. Do you think that the answer is A or B? Well, the answer was B. What we heard was a half note, a quarter note, but then we heard 3 eighth notes. That was not part of our measure. So the answer is B. Let's try one challenge problem just to make sure that you understand it. You can pause this video and use the methods that you learned to try and figure out this question. If what you hear is exactly what you see, mark A. If what you hear is different in any way, mark B. You will hear each example 2 times. Exercise 3. First playing. Exercise 3, second plane. The answer is A. What you heard was exactly what you saw on the paper.
That's all for Music Theory Takedown today, but we hope this video helped and we can't wait to see you in part 2 of listening skills.